Y'all, I don't know about you, but I love looking at polls, and there is some fascinating new polling out about the healthcare provisions in the Inflation Reduction Act. You may say, what healthcare provisions? I thought the Inflation Reduction Act was all about climate. But no, it also contained very powerful provisions to help lower healthcare and drug costs for people like you and me. It's lowered Obamacare premiums for American families by $2,400 a year, capped insulin costs to $35 a month for everyone on Medicare. It provides free vaccines to seniors, reined in drug companies' egregious price increases. Starting next year, it's going to cap prescription costs for seniors to $2,000 a year. Finally, it gave Medicare the power to negotiate drug prices. And what does this have to do with polling? Y'all, all of the most popular provisions in the Inflation Reduction Act are the ones that have to do with cutting healthcare costs and drug prices, with the top one in popularity being capping insulin costs for seniors. Second most popular, giving Medicare the power to negotiate lower drug prices. 81% of Americans support that provision. Now, it should be no surprise that the pharmaceutical industry hates this provision. They lobbied hard against it. In fact, they spent $100 million lobbying against the Inflation Reduction Act. It is partially because of that not a single Republican supported this bill. Big Pharma isn't done fighting it. Merck is suing. This company is suing. Every big pharma company is suing to stop the price controls. But what should surprise us just a little bit more? The fact that Republicans are siding with Big Pharma over us. In fact, repealing these drug pricing provisions is one of their top priorities. They've already introduced the bill, and if they take back control, they'll pass it. And I guess that's one of the things I find really interesting about reading polling, is that almost without exception, the more Americans like something, the more Republicans and their corporate owners want to take it away.